Okay, we're going to do some rust removal today. This is in the trunk space. So this car originally had a big rust problem when I had it first. It was repaired, put some patches here, but you can see just over the years the battery was here and just water leakage just caused a lot of rust. And so what I've done is I've been scraping it down with a wire brush, and it's pretty clean now. This area has been cleaned already and kind of sealed. The upper area needs a little bit more, but today what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up a little bit more. First I'm going to put some acetone to wipe off any remaining pieces of rust, and then we're going to seal it. So first I'm going to kind of do a little bit more scraping here. So what I have here is a drill bit with a wire brush, and just get in there and just kind of get into the rust and kind of scrape it out. On some of these rubberized areas I used a heat gun to kind of heat it up, and then I scrape it off with a putty knife. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, I took the heat gun and scraped off some of this rubber, and then I took the wire brush on the drill bit and scraped all that out, and it's looking pretty nice now. You can actually see some of the clear metal here. I mean, the thing about rust removal is the more you do it, the more you see. So I'm more concerned just about stability here, because this is where the batteries are going to go. So it's not really for cosmetic reasons, but I think this is pretty good for now. And so the next step is I'm going to put some acetone just to wipe off any remaining pieces of rust particles, and then we're going to let that dry, and then we'll go ahead and paint over with the special rust paint. So the next step here after the acetone is to put on a rust encapsulator. This one's from Eastwood. It's supposed to be pretty good. It's supposed to basically block any rust prevention, and then you can also put a top coat on top. So we're going to get that right now. Alright, just putting this on. It's pretty thick, so I guess we can get into those little crannies there. Seal it off. It's really nice. Alright, so we put the coat of Eastwood here, and it's looking pretty good. It bonds really well. And we're just going to let it dry. And according to the instructions, about 48 hours, we can put a top coat in within 4 to 48 hours. So here's the final look of my trunk after the restoration removal project here. After I did the Eastwood encapsulator paint, I went in with a rubberized black spray paint, and this basically gets it back to original of how it was back at the factory. At least I hope so. So we're ready to go from here, and next step we're going to get a custom piece of metal that's going to fit over that hole in the bottom, and then we can start on the battery build, the battery box build, and place that in the trunk area.